We now continue with the next report. Thousands of Indonesians have registered to take a free trial ride on the high-speed rail, underscoring the huge enthusiasm of Indonesians with the speed train connecting Jakarta and Bandung. PT Kereta Cepat Indonesia China, or KCIC, the developer of the speed train, have just opened their registration for the public to take a free ride through the end of the month.
Kereta Cepat Indonesia China, or KCIC, holds free trial from the public for the Jakarta-Bandung Fast Train, or KCJB. Registration quota for the free trials immediately ran out moments after opening due to the high interest from the public to join in.
PT Kereta Cepat Indonesia China, or KCIC, holds free trials for the public for the Jakarta-Bandung Fast Train, or KCJB. Registration quota for the free trials immediately ran out moments after opening, due to the high interest from the public to join in. Based on the data from KCIC, the first trial ride run from September 18 through September 24. All tickets have been fully booked. All seats available for the first trial amounts to 4,200 seats. KCIC developer plans to hold a second free trial ride from September 24, 2023 through the company's website at ionaik.kcic.co.id for a free trial ride on September 25 through September 30, 2023. During the trial ride, there will be 4 round trips every day. Each trip is available for 500 seats. This mechanism will run until the end of September of this year.